started at the market, I made a pledge to grow a lot of heirloom varieties, and it was a bit of a struggle in the beginning because people didn't like the colors of stuff, and you know, the tomatoes didn't look round and they weren't red, but now it's completely opposite. That's all people want, and they understand the value of that. And we sell a lot of stuff that, you know what, it doesn't look perfect, but people are happy because the flavor's there, the nutrition's there, and in a lot of cases, they can look beyond that. The reason why we grow heirloom varieties is they're usually better tasting, have better nutrition, and they're not raised for cosmetic purposes. In this neighborhood, there's a lot of factory farm operations. They grow everything from peppers to watermelons, strawberries. It would make you sick if you saw how much stuff is thrown away. It's incredible. And like the grocery stores, they dictate what everything should look like, the size, the shape, the color, the packaging. And these people they're at the mercy of the grocery stores.